film, but I'm going to give Bobby a quick round of applause on behalf of all the children and children. So, thank you, Bobby. You've done something remarkable. All right.
Okay. We're all good? Everybody ready? Okay, we're good. Take it off.
We're good.
Hang on, so I want to think about it for a second.
Little late.
Well, she didn't have a problem with that with Mom. Like
No.
Moms, you know.
Oh, look at
Watch the eyebrow. Hey, coming up to you, baby. Oh, there you go, yeah. Make a mohawk.
So much hair. There's so much hair.
I don't know.
A lot of hair.
My feet is looking pretty bad.
I guess.
Let
it go. Let it go.
Oh, we should be totally playing that.
Let it go.
Or you could just sing it. Yeah, right.
We raised over $30,000 for Children's Miracle Network, and so $25,000 was my hair.
Here's another one of our patients.
Oh, hey, how are you? Yeah, it wasn't like it missed it there, we barely got there.
You did over 30.
Yeah, 32.4 or something like that.
Lydia had, when you were 3 months old, the bone marrow was 8 months old, so huge. So I hear you see this one. The mama's so excited.
Well, we're glad, we're glad.
Have a baby that's maybe a 20% chance of survival. She's 6 years old.
Awesome, good job.
Anyway,
Thank you so much. Bobby, you get 24.
Oh! Stop cutting! Stop cutting! I got 20!
You left a little part in the front.
You look like James Spann?
You need to get him around the edges in the back. You left his edges in the back.
Yeah, clean me up now.
Yeah, get the neck hair.
He does have a round head, though. Thanks. Even though I was dropped evenly as a child. Robbie, is it white?
He's going to need sunblock now. You did good. You did really good. Barbie, let us see. Yeah. Completely. Oh, Lord.
I trust her now. I had to gain faith here if I took the guard off.
Oh, Lord.